Long-awaited news today about COVID-19 vaccines for children under the age of 12.
Pfizer saying today its vaccine works for children aged 5 to 11 and will soon ask the FDA for emergency use authorization.
Fox 5's Tom Fitzgerald live tonight outside NIH in Bethesda. And Fitz, you spoke to one of the children that took part in one of those trials.
Yeah, that's right. Fox 5 speaking with Sebastian Prybol and his mother, Brittany, today. Now, Sebastian was one of those kids that was involved in Pfizer's vaccine trial for children. Now, we talked to the mother, and she said, yeah, she did have some concerns about this, but ultimately their family decided that the rewards of doing this far outweighed any risk. Now, Pfizer reports that in their trials of children between 5 and 11 years old, that the children did develop antibodies that fight off the COVID-19 vaccine and did experience some mild side effects along the lines of those of teenagers and adults. Now, this dosage for children would roughly be about a third of the full dose that's currently being given out now. Sebastian tells us he did have some side effects, a fever and a sore arm. His mother says she doesn't know for sure if he did not get the full dose or a placebo, but she thinks with those side effects, she's pretty sure he did.
Honestly, when he woke up in the middle of the night saying his arm hurt and he had about 100 fever, I think I cried because, I felt like saline wouldn't do that. But we were watching for side effects and we have a symptom tracker.
I think I got the real vaccine. I just honestly want things to go back to normal. Like, I just miss it, like when it was normal. I mean, it's been hard with COVID. It's definitely been hard, I'll say that.
It definitely has been hard. The demand for these vaccines, especially with children between the ages of 5 and 11, has especially grown just in the last couple of weeks as these schools have opened back up with students in classrooms. Now, the FDA is going to look at this now. It is estimated that the approval process is going to take anywhere from 3 to 4 weeks. That means by Halloween, these vaccinations, if approved for emergency authorization, could be in place. A lot of the parents we talked to today say this will be an important step to protecting children against COVID-19.
I think now that the schools are open, people are going to be more likely to get their kids vaccinated, and hopefully it'll make everybody safer.
FDA approval?
Yeah.
Well, I think it would make people feel more secure about it, but I'm still probably a little nervous giving a vaccination to a child.
If we can have 5 and up vaccinated, I think it'll make a huge difference. Everyone should be vaccinated.
We heard a lot of that today. This was a blind trial by Pfizer, so Brittany doesn't know for sure if Sebastian got the full vaccine. However, there's a 60 to 70% chance that he did. Once this is all submitted to the FBI, this trial will be unblinded, and Sebastian and his mom will know for sure. We'll send it back into you,
Fitz, I'm glad you didn't interrupt that woman between sets, but it seems like she was determined to get that workout in, so it worked out perfectly.